Welcome to Inlet Park, Westshore Marina District. Here you can find a lovely townhouse and unit, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with over 2,500 square feet. Walking distance away from getting a smoothie, maybe a glass of wine at the legendary Cruise Cellars. Now you can jump over and get an ice cream, a nice swimsuit from Sand Surf Co., get your hair done at the Salon Color Bar, and even a nice pedicure over at Crave. They even have their own convenient grocery store, Duckweed. Here you can find some yummy food from pharmacy and all your grocery essentials. Need a nice nightcap? Well, walk on over to the liquor store that's conveniently located, connected to Duckweed. All the shopping and more right here. Did we mention we're dog-friendly community too? And soon, Chuck Lager's American Tavern is opening. Soon, this community on the water will be developed with 2 towers and townhouses with boat slips. If you'd like more information on this community, please feel free to reach out.